That's okay. That's okay. Are you a pig? Can I borrow? Just gonna fix your hair. Yeah. Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Sunday! So, syempre pupunta kami ngayon sa Walmart para mag-grocery shopping.
Remind me that this cop is out here later.
What's going on? What's it? Merong police officer. So, kakarating lang nito ni Mr. Kung mga, what time did you get home? Did you? 5 p.m. Ayun. Kaya late na kaming pupunta ngayon sa Walmart. It's 5:40 p.m. Pero maganda naman ang weather ngayon. And, ayun, doon si Zayda sa likod. Nagsa-sightseeing na naman siya.
You have to stop at this gas station.
Why? Are you going to get it?
I gotta get beer.
Beer? Again?
I'm afraid they're gonna close.
Why don't you want to go there at Trigger? You don't want to give him a business anymore.
Jigger is not exactly Mr. Personality.
Si Jigger, yun yung aming dating landlord doon sa apartment na tinitirahan namin. Tapos, di ba kung naalala nyo na i-mention ko na sobrang laki nung sinisingil niya para sa water bill. How much are we paying for that?
Oh yeah, maybe that's another reason. Maybe
150. How much are we paying for water bill?
Maybe I am subconsciously angry with him.
Ayan, so kukuha dito si Mr. ng beer sa
They look closed.
isang package store. Go check.
They just.
No, it's 9 p.m. Past 6 p.m. It's 5:41. Grabe yung pilikili ko. Sobrang itim na. Dahil nga ako ay hey baby. Hey Zira. Dahil ako ay 34 weeks pregnant na. So itong package store na ito ay magko-close siya Sunday ng 6 p.m. Medyo na-conscious ako magsalita kasi may dumating na sasakyan. Baka nakita niya na ako ay nag-film. So anyway, share ko lang pala sa inyo guys, no? Meron ako nakita sa TikTok, nagbabrowse kasi ako sa TikTok. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Zira is 2 years old. So to be exact, 25 months. And magta-26 months na siya sa 21st of this month. And meron ako nakita doon, siguro mga ahead lang siya ng ilang months kay Zira. 2 years old din siya. And ang galing-galing na niyang bumasa. So parang napaisip ako, delayed ba si Zira? Kasi hindi pa siya marunong magbasa. Pero marunong na siyang magsalita. Medyo hindi pa ganun kalinaw. Tapos, so chinek ko siya sa internet. And normally, yung mga toddler, natututo silang magbasa talaga pagka 5 years old. So ito na nga, 2 years old pa lang siya and ang galing na niyang magbasa. Love, remember the toddler that I was talking about that I saw in TikTok, who is 2 years old and she is already good at reading? Yeah, so there are some people there, I mentioned it to my husband, that she's too advanced to be able to read at that age because she's still too young for that. And there are some people that are commenting on the video that she has hyperlexia. And then when I checked it in Google, do you remember what I said? What hyperlexia is? Love, can you explain it? Because I told you that it might be connected or associated with autism, and you said it's not because you worked with children with that kind of disorder before.
Well, likely the opposite is true because their language abilities are very minimal. They have almost no language abilities. A lot of them, zero language abilities. reader. She can read so good. They used to say, oh, well, she's gifted. That's a gift, or a prodigy. You know, that's what we used to call a prodigy. But now they say, no, they have autism, because then they can sell them autism services, and there's money in autism services. So they'll just say anything is affiliated with autism, because the more people they can funnel into autism services. I worked with this kid who got diagnosed with autism. He was really smart, and it was not any weird at all. He had nothing wrong with him. He was a totally normal kid. But they took this totally normal kid out of school, and they told him that he had autism, because they can sell him autism services. It's very dumb, because people who have autism, it's a tragedy, you know, and it's an extremely bizarre affliction, and it's very, very sad, extremely sad. So they're telling all these normal people that they have autism. It's kind of an insult to the people who actually do have it, you know?
And you were also talking about this kid that is very good with numbers or with calendars.
Yeah, there was one kid that I knew who you tell him, I am born on August 15th, 1986, and he would say, oh, that's a Wednesday. So he knew the calendar day of every day ever, probably to the beginning of, you know, history.
Beginning of the history.
So they do have tricks. Some of them can do tricks. That's the whole plot of that movie, Rain Man. But
Rain Man?
Yeah.
Is it about it? Is it? I think I heard about
Rain
it.
Man was the guy who could count the cards. Because he would go to the casino and he could count the cards and make all the money. But I don't know. I've heard of, I mean, it's more common that they have math abilities than language abilities. It doesn't really make any sense for them to have language abilities.
It's not really language abilities, it's reading. I think language is different.
Reading is language.
Yeah, but I mean, it's still different. Because they were saying, even if these people or these toddlers, these kids have an exceptional ability to read, the comprehension is not there. So they couldn't understand what they were reading, really.
Well, yeah, okay. But that's just because they're two.
Huh?
It's because
They're 2
they're
years
two.
old.
They don't know anything.
Yeah, but the fact that
Not
you
because
can...
they have autism. Because they're two.
The fact that you could already read at 2 years old at that young age, that's,
It's a prodigy.
different.
It's a prodigy. It happens.
Yeah, but the problem is they can't understand it. I mean, if you are considered gifted, aside from being able to read, you should be able to understand what you are reading.
No, that doesn't really make any sense. Because, you know, it takes a long time to learn things. You know, to discover what is a tree, what is a cloud, what is the rain, what is a rock, what is, you know, a dog, whatever. You know, all of the things have to be experienced or witnessed or cataloged or categorized. You know, so if they're just putting together the sounds.
That's what they said. I think they are very good with that.
Just putting sound. But anyways, it's just a prodigy. I mean, not just, but it's not autism. It's a prodigy. There's lots of prodigies in the world. That's why we have the word prodigy. That's the only meaning of that word is somebody who is, you know, like that.
So anyway, yun, nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok, pero hindi naman kinlame or dininay nung mother na meron siyang hyperlexia. Kasi yung isa nag-comment doon, sabi niya, it is obvious that the kid has hyperlexia and the mother as well. Kasi yung nag-comment, meron din daw siya nun. So, ayun, anyway, na-share ko lang. Tapos ito si Zayda, hindi ko naman ito tinuruan na, syempre hindi pa siya marunong magbasa, no? Pero, ang marunong siyang mag-count. Zayda knows how to count, right? 1 to 10, mag-ABC ng kaunti. Tapos yung mga colors, and what else does she know? Yun, mga shapes. Pero hindi ko siya tinuruan. Dahil yun sa screen time. Kasi may screen time siya, pero hindi sa cellphone. Minsan lang sa cellphone. Madalas is sa... Ayan, si Zira. Hi, friends! Yan, kung mapapansin nyo, kahit Hello! kahit anong tawag dito. Basta nagda-drive kami, hindi namin siya kailangan bigyan ng toys o kaya ng anything to watch para para ma-calm down siya. Ganyan lang talaga siya, well-behaved siya pagka nasa loob ng sasakyan. Dito na tayo sa Walmart, guys. Naghahanap ako ng suknay, wala akong makita. So, syempre, andito na naman tayo sa mga books. Yung tatay niya, hindi pwedeng hindi bibilhan ng books si Zeta. Book! Love, yun. Then we have something got. Get that.
They're my little cutie pie.
Really? Zeta sure already has that. You want that cuddle bug? Elmo, that's not Elmo, baby. She keeps saying Elmo. Ganyan ka hilig si Zeta sa ano. Ayan, we are back home, guys, and mag-start na tayo mag-grocery shopping haul. Ang sakit ng aking paa. Parang hindi na niya kayang buhatin ang aking belly. So anyway, ito watermelon. Try namin kung matamis ba siya. And then 18 large na eggs. Paper towels, bulky rolls. So, yung aming dinner for tonight is burger and salad. So, ito yung gagamitin ni Mr. para sa burger. And then, syempre, hindi mawawala ang book ng ating baby Zeta. And then, croissant. Loaf bread, dark chocolates, and then beef jerky, instant noodles. Si Mr. bumili nito para kay Zeta, hindi nga ito pwede sa under 8 years old. Sabi ko, wag na niyang kunin, kinuha pa din. So, ito lang. Laundry detergent soap. And then coffee. Oh, love, go read some books for Zeta. Catch. Can you catch it?
Throw it over here.
Bread flour. Burger sauce or smoky hickory bacon flavored aioli. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce. Spinach and spring mix. And then strawberries. So 1.5 na yung kinuha namin for this week kasi nagkulang naman pagka isang pack lang. Nanood ako nung vlog ni Simply Race at saka din ni Pinay Mom in South Korea. Sabi nila, sobrang mahal daw ng strawberries doon sa kanila sa Australia at sa South Korea. Pero dito parang hindi naman masyado. Sakto lang. Then 1 bag of grapes, then 1 bag of cherries. Bananas. Asparagus spears. Green beans. Cucumbers. Celery sticks, and then green pepper, avocados, mangoes, apples, and then carrots, dishwasher Pax fresh scent, and then dental floss, golden curry, and then Hershey's. And then meat. Ngayong week kasi yung schedule ni Mr. ng pagluluto ng mga babaunin niya para sa work. We have sausage. Yung packs ng sausage. And then chicken breast, and ground beef chop. Itong mga lulutuin ni Mr. hindi ko na ilalagay sa fridge kasi lulutuin niya na ito ngayon. Dalawang box ng whole milk, coconut juice, dishwashing liquid soap, olives, pickles, and then itong car air freshener, spam, minced garlic, jasmine rice, better than bouillon, fresh pork loin fillet, hot dogs. Ayan, dalawang pack. So karamihan ng mga meat na binili namin is para dun na sa lulutuin ni Mr. sa kanyang work. And ang total ng aming pinamili for this week is $342.41. Kasi nga ang daming meat. Pero ano pa rin naman siya, mababa pa rin siya sa aming weekly budget na $350. So, ayun lang for today's vlog, guys. Ipuput away ko na ito. Maraming salamat po ulit sa panonood ng aming mga videos at pag-suporta sa aming YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hinahabol ko yung hininga ko. Thank you so much again for your support. Have a nice day and great day, everyone. Bye!